tuning with no capo. We start off the song with this lovely picking riff. We have the third finger on the 4th fret of the G and the pinky finger on the 4th fret of the B. I'm going to pick high E, B, G 5 times. Then we're going to pick just the B string. So I'm going to move down to 3rd fret on the B string. I'm going to play E, B, G 3 times. Then we're going to move down to 2nd fret with the 1st finger on the B string, play this twice. And catch the B string after that. So the whole thing, 4th fret on the B and G 5 times. Catch the B string, then we go down to the 3rd fret on the B 3 times. Down to the 2nd fret on the B twice, and then the B string. The whole thing slowly. So to come out with the riff, we play the same on the 4 and 4. We go down to the 3rd fret. And we just play twice through this, but we miss the last beats off. We finish after that B, and then we go open low E, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. So we've got open 2, 3 on the low E string, 4, 3, 4 on the B string, back to 3 on the low E string, 4, 3, 4 on the B, 3 on the low E, 4 on the B. So then down to 2 on the low E, 3, 1, 3 on the B, so 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, then 2 on the low E, 3 on the B. So far slowly, we've got the little run, open, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, down to 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, we go to open low E. 3 on the B, open B, open high E, down to 1st fret on the G there. We've got a little bend, 2 on the low E, flick off to open, that happens twice, and then we've got that little run again, 3 on the B, open B, open high E, 1st fret on the G there. So slowly, we've got that open, run, bend, again, the whole thing. Next picking riff. So we've got the pinky finger on the 7th fret, the low E, the 3rd finger on the A string at the 6th fret, got the 1st finger on the 4th fret, the D, and an open G string. We're going to pick E, A, D, G, D, A, E. That repeats twice on this chord. And we go down to our next shape, which is loosely based on a G power chord. So we've got the 3rd fret on the low E, 5th fret on the A, 5th fret on the D, open G again. Same picking. Just once before we go down to an E minor chord, same picking. So the whole thing there played slowly. Second shape. E minor. That's played on repeat. Sometimes instead of playing the riff, we'll just play a B power chord and let it ring. Other times when we're playing the riff, we just end with a single strum on that E minor chord. There's also another variation in the song. Sometimes we jump straight into this riff on the 3, 4, 3, 4 on the G, 3 up to an A chord. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Happy practicing and take care.